I'm so excited about today's because we're making chapstick. I swear I can't find good chapstick for like under $3 nowadays.
This was actually one of the tutorials we got asked for by an audience member. So we decided to go ahead and make our favorite lip balm or chapstick, whichever you prefer to call it.
Balm stick.
Sure.
Yeah. Let's get started!
To make your own lip balms, you will need a knife, small bowl, stovetop, double boiler pot, wax melting pot, a stir stick and spatula, food weight scale, measuring spoons, silicone mat, pipettes or funnel, 2 ounces of cocoa butter, 2 ounces of beeswax, a ½ ounce of coconut oil, 1 ounce of sweet almond oil, a ½ ounce of avocado oil, ½ teaspoon of essential oil or a scent of your choice, and 12 lip balm tubes or a jar to store your lip balm in. If you are using a block of beeswax, you may want to grate it down or cut it up before continuing. Today we are using beeswax pellets, which are already small and ready for use. Start by filling your pot a third of the way up with water and then putting it on the heating burner. Take your beeswax and using your small bowl and your weight scale, measure out 2 ounces of beeswax. Once this is measured, pour it into your wax melting pot and stick it on the burner. Your wax may take a bit of time to melt, so while you're waiting, weigh out your cocoa butter oil on the scale. You can also set up your pouring station with a silicone mat and lip balm tubes. Once your wax is melted in the pot, add your 2 ounces of cocoa butter and your ½ ounce of coconut oil. Once these are melted, add 1 ounce sweet almond oil, a ½ ounce of avocado oil, and a ½ teaspoon of your essential oil of choice to the pot as well. Mix this thoroughly, and then using your pipettes or funnel, carefully pour your lip balm into the containers. And with that, you have your very own homemade lip balm, and even enough tubes of it to hide everywhere in your house.
Oh, we hope you enjoy this amazing chapstick.
So we made ours lemon verbena flavored. Our question today for our bead bag giveaway in the comments is, what is your favorite lip balm flavor?
Let us know and you could win some beads. Thank you so much again for watching and we'll see you next time.
We're good. Oh no. Oh my god. I mean, it's edible, but that plastic container is not.
Or is it?